not freaking again. What's going on, guys? I'm working in Wrenchettes. One hour I'm working this beautiful Jet to the 5. My life as well. Now today we're gonna still work on life. Man, oh man, this thing is going from worse to worse, man. But yeah. Anyway, let's get right to it. What happened this time? Well, they broke my rear window. 1 week after they broke my side window. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description or in the corners here. It may pop up on your screen. Bums are rust the second time. Next week after. I have to take everything out of here so I don't leave nothing. So I can put a bag over it. I think I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard and get another one. They took this 2-ton jack, which didn't work. So good luck with that. They took my broken jack and they took my broken tire air lifter kit. Actually, the tire air pump thingy. That was also broken. So both items that they took were both broken. It didn't work. That's why I didn't care. And I left it there. Maybe it was my mistake to assume that these bums knew that those items were messed up. And that's why I left it there. Now, was it my mistake? Well, if leaving property in your own property is a mistake, then I am guilty. When this happened, right, I took off everything that was in my trunk. Like right now, you could actually see my Motorsport trunk, and there's only my baby's car seat and a pack of water. That's it. And I left the cover wide open so these bums lowlife can see, because I know they're targeting my truck already, that there's nothing in there that they could steal, right? No, not really. To be honest, I was not even mad, man. It's just funny, man. Like, one, I've been through this before, right? In my previous address, I was targeted the same way by the same type of cowards, because they wouldn't dare do something in front of me to my truck. So I knew the deal. I knew what was up. I was being targeted by bums, right? And I had the same Bible verse in my head already. For nothing be worried, for nothing be anxious. To repair it, it probably cost me, I think the rear window actually cost me a little bit more than the side window. I think it cost me like 25 or 30 bucks instead of 18 like the side windows. Again, I went to the junkyard, I got the window, and I bought the 3M window well, and everything cost me about like 60 bucks. Well, conclusion, my truck is now empty. I don't even have music in my daily anymore. And I'm leaving my trunk wide open so the bums could see that there's nothing, absolutely nothing in there. I thank God, because it is God's will that I am in this position right now. And if God permitted, then so be it, you know. God is good all the time, and there's always a purpose for everything. And that is actually the message to you guys. If you guys are going through something like this, please be assured that you're not alone. As you can see, I've been targeted many, many times, and I'm still good. My family is good, so that's the most important thing. Don't do anything stupid, because that's what they want. The law wants you to fail, because they protect these idiots, like I said in my previous video. Anyway, until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up, so when things like this happen, you will have the strength to do the right thing.